how to install Windows 10, a fresh and clean installation of Windows 10 on your computer. Whether you just got a new computer that has no operating system on it, so go to this page. I will leave a link below in the description. This page is very useful. It tells you how to install Windows 7 or Windows 8 and also Windows 10. In this tutorial, we're going to be installing Windows 10. So I will click on this link. I will go to download tool now. So click on that. Once you click on that, it will generate a media creation tool and saved location on your computer. So I will head over to the downloaded tools, the media creation tool that we just downloaded right now, and I will right click on that. I will click run and I will say yes to that, and the Windows 10 installation media will attempt to launch. Okay, so it has launched and it's getting a few things ready on our computer. So it's going to try to check the environment of this Windows and see if it meets the minimum requirement. So it's getting the computer ready to basically set up our USB disk installation. Okay, and you will see that Windows 10 setup page pops up, and then you will try to accept to Microsoft software license terms. So scroll all the way down and click accept. Alright, then Windows 10 setup is asking us what we want to do at this point. Do you want to upgrade this PC now, or would you like to create installation media like USB flash drive, DVD, or an ISO file for another PC? Because this lecture is actually based on installing Windows 10 on a bare metal computer, a fresh computer that has no operating system, I will select the second option, create installation media, and then I will click next. Alright, once you click next, you see it's asking us to select language, architecture, and edition. Because on this window that I'm trying to download this, it's detect that it's a Windows 10 64-bit. So I will just leave it at Windows 10 64-bit and go next. And then on the next page, we have options to select which media to use, whether to use a flash drive or whether to use an ISO file. So I will select to use a flash drive on this particular occasion. Alright, and it will detect there is a flash drive or plug into my computer, and I will click next. So Windows 10 is now downloading. It's very fast actually. I will stop the video a little bit, and when it's finished downloading, I'll be right back. Okay, great. Now that our download is finished, it's trying to verify. Windows 10 is verifying our download whether it's valid and there is no error or things like that. And it's going to the next step right now, and it's creating the Windows 10 media into the USB flash drive that I have plugged into this computer. Alright, progress 10%. So Windows 10 is almost finished the media creation into our USB drive, and let's just wait like 1 more second to see what's next. So excellent. Now to close out of this and go inside of our USB drive, alright, to take a look and see if everything is completed. Okay, so here we are inside of our USB that we used to download and copy and extract the Windows 10 installation files. I have gone ahead and plugged it to the computer, and I'm showing you right now. So we have all the complete files to install Windows 10. This is our USB port, and all the files. You can see there's a setup.exe file here, and we're going to be using this USB to install our Windows 10 on a brand new computer during our next session. If this video has been very informative for you, I'd like to thank you for watching. like, subscribe, and you can comment below. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.